Okay, we got some cardio. Okay, so we could start with a light warm-up for 5 to 10 minutes. It could be a light warm-up jog. You can hit the elliptical. You could jog in place while watching your favorite podcast or listening to your favorite songs. You could do something like that. And if you're running outside, you could focus on maintaining good posture, engaged core, and steady breathing. If you're on a treadmill, just set a comfortable pace and avoid holding on to the rails. Okay? If you want to challenge yourself a little bit, you could try alternating between 1 minute of jogging and 30 seconds of sprinting for high intensity intervals. And that's for like people that's on that next level, or that's the next level for you that you can strive for. But we're not trying to overdo it, obviously. All right? Keep it moderate. Stay focused. Let's go. Boom. Here's another thing you can do. You can do some jump ropes, right? Grab a jump rope, keep your elbows close to your body, jump with soft knees, like nice and easy. You don't want to be stiff. You don't want to sound like a log falling up and down, right? Nice and stiff and springy, right? Keep a steady rhythm using the balls of your feet. And start with 30-second intervals and gradually increase as you build endurance. And this is a great way to improve coordination while torching calories, melting them. But it also warms you up. It also gets you ready. If you're into boxing or you just want to stay light on your feet, that's an awesome way to do it. Yeah, jump rope is a super important movement if your knees and your joints can take it, because there's also alternatives if jump rope isn't your thing, obviously, but jump rope is awesome if you can knock it out. Next, you got the rowing machine, right? If you have one of those, you can sit with your feet strapped in, grip the handle, drive through your heels and your legs while pulling the handle forward towards your chest. Actually stick your chest out when you're pulling, and when you're going forward, get a nice extension without bending over too much, still keeping your chest out, right? Keep your movements nice and smooth and make this cardio, right? Extend your arms before bending your knees to return. Focus on a strong controlled motion for a full body cardio workout, right? Without using your legs as the main source of propulsion for said cardio. Boom. Those are rows. All right. We got mountain climbers. You can do those. Right? You got the smaller step up where you can do side to side, or you can step forward on it, like if you were stepping on the first step in a staircase. Hey, you might have a staircase. We'll use that for cardio, right? Try the different interval suggestions that I suggested in this demonstration and try it, and we'll discuss. If you have any other questions, feel free to please leave me a comment. And if you like the information, press like. Have a good one. See you at the top.